Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Veracity. In my last video, 2 days ago, I told you that we can expect a test of the key support by Veracity, and we can see right now VRA is exactly at the key support. This is a really, very strong support zone that starts from 2.9 cents and goes to 2.4 cents. And right now, we are exactly testing the 2.4 cent support level. And in today's video, we will analyze, are we going to break it down or we can expect a reversal from here. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move back to this weekly time frame, and here we can observe that the price line is exactly in the support zone that has been breaking as a very, very strong support previously. Like we had this rally, very big rally in the month of April 2021. The price line moved down, tested this level as a support, and then after this short rally, the price line broke it out, moved up, and went down and broke it down. It worked as a very nice resistance, and after breaking this level out, it has been breaking as a strong support here, and right now here for the past several weeks it was breaking as a strong support. Right now we are testing this support of 2.4 cents. That is the bottom of this support zone, and this is the support like previously we had back in 2020. I told you that we had a very big rally, very nice rally in 2020 here. And when the price line found a resistance at this level, it moved down again and moved up. And after this rally, the price line moved very close to this previous support. Did not test, but moved very close to this support and moved up again. And we had such support again. We had another nice rally. And here we had a rejection. If I switch to the daily time frame, then we can see in the month of April, we had a very strong rejection here, like we had here. And after that, this level has been working as a very, very nice support. Therefore, we can expect that this time it can again work as a very nice support. And while the price line is testing this critical support, at the same time, if we take a look at the stochastic, it has again entered the oversold zone. Now, if we switch to the daily time frame, here price line has started the formation of the down channel that was started back in October 2021, and still it is moving in this down channel, and we are again testing the support of this channel. We tested the support here in the month of October, then we again tested the support for several days, from the 4th of December up till the 20th of December. Then we moved up again. Right now we are again moved at the support of this channel, and at the same time we are also testing this support of 2.4 cents together. And here we also have a formation of a head and shoulder pattern as well. Therefore, this neckline, this support is also working as a neckline of this head and shoulder, should be saved, and the price line should be reversed from the support of the channel and also the support of 2.4 cents as well. Now, if in case of price reversal, we can expect another move approximately at 3 cents. That is the resistance of this channel. But unless this channel will be not broken out, we cannot expect a big move. Therefore, we need to break out this resistance of the channel as soon as possible. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.